Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to demonstrate polymorphism. Before proceeding forward, let us know what actually polymorphism is. Poly means many and morph means type, right? In programming, polymorphism is nothing but representation of data, okay? And whenever we are calling a sort of function and when we are passing different signature, that thing is known as polymorphism, okay? We already know what length function does, right? We are going to demonstrate the same on this video, right? And then we are going to create a built-in function wherein which we will pass the parameters and see actually how does polymorphism works in programming in Python, right? Let's get started. So here I am using grapple IT. If you're familiar with this, you can definitely go with that. However, if you are comfortable with programming, you can go over there and you have obviously an option that is Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's get started with the built-in module that is print length function. Okay, so print length, and I want to check the length of Python, and by default it is 6. When I execute this program, you'll see that you will get 6 over here, 6 over here. Now, the another case that would be print length of a list, and what is the content of the list? It would be 10, 20, and 30. When I execute the program, you'll see the output over here, and that is 3. Okay, what I did, I just changed the signature. What do I mean by the signature? The parameter, the value that I'm passing. Okay, so that is the built-in module that we have learned already in the previous videos. Okay, let us move forward, and we are going to create a new module wherein which we are going to pass few parameters and check what does it is doing, right? So let us define a class over here, and it is going to add few numbers. So it would be x comma y comma z, and we are going to initialize the values to 0. Then we are going to return the value, and we are going to add them x plus y plus z. Okay, these are the value that we are going to return. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to drive the code. Okay, and by passing the values, so print add, and what are the values that we are passing? It would be 2 comma 3. Okay, I'm passing two values, and then I'm going to pass three values. So print and then add, and then 2 comma 3 comma 4. Here I'm changing the signature. First I pass 2 and 3, and then I pass 2, 3 and 4, right? Now what will it does? It will just execute the program when I tap on run. And as you can see, 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9. That's all polymorphism does, right? And I hope you got the concept, okay? The changing of signature using a particular module, but changing in signature is known as polymorphism. Poly means many and morph means type, right? Hope you got today's video and see you in the another one. Thank you and have a great day.